So in this video, I will show how to add icons in our website. So basically, there is a simple way you can directly go to website wherever you want, whatever SVG icon you want. You can just copy that SVG and you can paste it in your website. So for this one, I will just go to dashboard to show this one. So in resources view, then dashboard, I will just copy paste this icon. So I don't need all these things, scan test and all these things. So I will remove everything. I will just paste it here, SVG icon. So we got this SVG icon directly. So one way is directly copy pasting SVG. If you have very less icon, very limited icon, so this is a good way to add this one. So you can create component for this if you want to use this repeatedly. So for example, in components they have added this application logo and all these things. So these are also SVG icons. Okay. And then there is one another way for Laravel. It's there are Laravel icons. So if you search this, you will get this blade icons, and there are multiple icons library or framework, we can say, like means most of the we use font awesome and all these things. So all of the icons are available, so you can search for the specific icon. If you like particular icon style, you can use that one. So for example, in Tabler there are this multiple icons available, and you can search directly for all, so what icons you want. And then basically for every this package or means different types of icons, so I'll have to install that particular package. So if I want to use this Caesar, so I will just go into this page. So here they have given this composer command, so I can how I can install this particular thing. So I just have to install this one. So then after installing, I can use this code. So basically there are means for all the icons there is this component, so you can use any of this style. Means I can use directive component or helper, so likewise we can use. So I will just copy this thing, and now I have this installed, so I will just paste it in dashboard only. So this icon will be shown there, so it will have that last size, so I can give that particular width and height. So width, then height, then, so likewise this icon can be used. So so these are the ways. So one, directly copying SVG, or you can directly use this multiple icons. So if I want to use some other icon like tabler or something else, so for that I will have to use this one. So I will have to again basically install this particular command, and then I can use this one. So for different icons, so try to find the library or something you want, means you like most of the icons, you can install that, and or you can install multiple icons and you can use that. So this is how we can use this one. So once we have icon, we can put it wherever we want. So like for users, I will just see means what we have installed right now. There's blade iconic, so I will check if there is other icons available. So iconic, in iconic is there users. Okay, so iconic user, so I can use this particular thing. So iconic users, then I will use this one into our navigation. So I will go to this sidebar. I think we have this in sidebar. So sidebar, in we'll go for this users. I will try to add icon here, and I will change some styles as needed. So class equal to width 6, height 6. Let me check how it looks. We'll need to add flex or something. Okay, so I will add this into this link, and let's see. So still it's not looking good, so I will add this flex. So this is here. Then basically I can add span here. and then flex gap too. Let's see. So likewise, so this can be added. So I will use this icon for users, and then I will just copy this span. So for users, have this one, so flex and all these things needs to be added. Okay, and for invite we will use something else. So user plus iconic user plus, so here I will use other icon as iconic user plus. So similarly I can do for other things. For roles, let me check if there is anything. Security, there is this lock. Lock will not be a good one. For subscription, let me check if there is an icon, rupee or something, dollar. Okay, so iconic dollar I can use. So I will copy this one and I will post it for this subscription. Okay, then I will have to change this thing. Business dot subscription will be here. This will be changed, and icon will be iconic dollar. So like this. So let's check invite user, so it will be subscription. So likewise icons will be added. So I will add all these icons, so whenever I'm adding something I can add icons here. So this will look good, and that's it for this video.